Hello, everyone. As we all know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But when it comes to kids, they can be very picky eaters and may not be interested in eating healthy food. In this video, I'm going to share 3 healthy and quick breakfast recipes that even your picky eaters will love. So let's get started. First, we'll make a banana and peanut butter sandwich. This is a classic combo that is not only delicious, but also very nutritious. It's a great source of potassium, protein, and healthy fats. To make this sandwich, you will need 1 whole wheat bread, 1 ripe avocado, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, and sliced bananas for topping. Now the first step is to spread the peanut butter on one side of the bread. Then put sliced bananas on top of the peanut butter. If your kid is a little older and has a sweet tooth, you can add a little bit of honey on top of the bananas. Then put the other piece of bread on top, and your sandwich is ready. This is a great option for a quick breakfast on the go. Now let's make a vegetable and cheese omelette. This is a great way to sneak in some veggies in the morning. It's also a good source of protein and vitamins. To make this omelette, you will need 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of chopped vegetables like onions, peppers, and spinach, 1/4 cup of shredded cheese, salt and pepper to taste, and a little bit of olive oil. Now the first step is to heat a little bit of olive oil in a pan on low heat. Then add the chopped vegetables and cook them until they are soft. Now, in a bowl, beat the eggs with a fork and add salt and pepper to taste. Now pour the beaten eggs into the pan with the vegetables. Let the omelette cook on low heat until it is almost set. Now sprinkle the cheese on one side of the omelette. Roll the omelette carefully, and your omelette is ready. You can serve it with a side of fruit salad. Now let's make a Greek yogurt parfait. This is a delicious and healthy breakfast that is high in protein and calcium. It's also very refreshing and perfect for a hot morning. To make this parfait, you will need 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of granola, 1/4 cup of berries. That could be strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. Now, the first step is to layer half of the Greek yogurt in a parfait glass. Then drizzle some honey on top of the yogurt. Now add half of the granola and half of the berries. Repeat the layers and your parfait is ready. You can make this parfait the night before and keep it in the refrigerator. It's a great option for a make-ahead breakfast. And there you have it, 3 healthy and quick breakfast recipes that your kids will love. Remember, it's important to make breakfast a fun and enjoyable meal for your kids. So get creative in the kitchen and don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and textures. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.